Okay, example number two is going to be another fairly quick one as well. Not quite as quick as the last one, but fairly quick. So here they're saying arc DE and arc FG. So here and here, these two marked with the little red congruency symbols, um, are congruent arcs in the same circle. The corresponding chords DE and FG, so the chords that made those arcs, are going to be congruent as well, right? You can't have the arcs being congruent without the chords also being congruent, and vice versa. Like we saw in the last one, if we know the chords were the same, then the arcs are the same. Okay, well, they just want us to solve for x on here. They just want to know what our unknown value is. So they're saying that 2x plus 6 ought to be the same amount of arc as 5x minus 9. Okay, so we're just trying to get all of our x's to one side. So two different options to do that. In our first step, we can take away two x's from both sides. Or if we wanted to put the x's on the other side, we could have taken away 5x's from both sides. Right? Either one of these options would get us an equation that only has x on one side. Now, I would usually go with the option that leaves a positive number. So I'm going to go with that first option, subtracting 2x from both sides. On that, we just want our x's by themselves. We don't want this minus 9 here. So I'm going to add 9 to both sides. Give me 15 on the left, and that minus 9 will get canceled out when I add 9 to it. Okay, at this stage, I'm not looking for what 3 x's are worth. I'm looking for what 1x is worth. So I need a third as much. A third of that will just be the 1x, and a third of the left side will be 5. So 3 times 5 makes 15, right? Okay, so our unknown value is going to be 5 in this one, and that just comes from starting with understanding that our two chord lengths are congruent. I don't think they have anything else they want us to do for that one. Same thing would happen on this one, so we would take these two lengths here, these two chord lengths that they've given us, and we would set them equal to each other, move through our algebra steps until we have x equals whatever it equals. Okay, so that is it for example number two.